Assalamualaikum students, I hope you all are fine at your homes. Okay, I am over here with your second chapter. I just want to explain you that how you are going to start the second chapter in your maths copies. As you can see that the title page is present in front of you. You have to write down the chapter's name very clearly on the title page, and remember that you have to mention that it is your second chapter. Your second chapter name is multiples and factors, as I have written it over here. Then the next thing is, your first topic in this chapter is rules of divisibility. So what you have to do, you have to write down the rules first of all. As I have written it over here, you have to put the lecture number 1 heading on the red line. Date must be present on the left side. Then the topic name is going to come after leaving one line. Rules of divisibility. And for what numbers are these rules for? These rules are for 2, 3, 5 and 10. So you have to mention in the second line like this. Then you have to start writing the rules one by one. Make sure that these rules will be written very neatly in your copies. I have shared the pictures also, and the same rules are present in your PPT presentations as well. So you can copy it from there as well if you have any difficulty from writing it from here. Okay, then heading must be there with the help of any colors. You can use the dark colors. Example will be shared and the rule will be written with the pencil. Second rule, like this, in the same way, two rules can easily come on one page. The rest of the two rules for 3 and for 4 will be written on the next page, as I have done it over here. You can see that what type of writing and what quality of work I have shared with you. Then after writing the rules, all the 4 rules, you have to start your assignment number 1. Now, in the assignment number 1, as you can observe that the word file contains the column. So this column cannot come on the same page. So what you are going to do, you are going to write down the question on this page. First of all, assignment number heading on the red line, date, and then copy down the question as I have done it in front of you. Make sure that the question is lengthy, so you have to write down with the pencil. Then leave the rest of the page. Then for the exercise, you have to change the direction of your copy like this. Make this column as I have made it over here in front of you. This column is very easy to draw in your copies. First of all, you can draw it with a pencil and use a scale for the lines, and then you make sure that you have done it correct. You can trace it out with the color pencil, or you want to leave it with the pencil also, you can do it. This will be the column on which you are going to write down the yes or no after testing the divisibility rule.